Hello again everyone, and obviously I'm still playing Deltarune, and I'm still in the Lancer fight back where we left off in my last video. Wait a second. My bike's running out of fuel. Alright you punkaroos, I'm gonna start using that, punkaroo. You had the luck of the draw this time, but next time, the losers will be you. That was really bad, I did a laughing impression. Bye losers. I've got to get home before dinner. Oh, he's so cute. You won. You got 0 EXP and 40 Delta dollars? I don't know what they call them. Are you two okay? Allow me to introduce myself more properly. I am... Oh yes. Power of Fluffy Boys. Jeez, can you take off the hood? I can barely hear you under there. Boom. Oh, look at his little face. Look at him. I just want to squish him and just cuddle him. Hello everyone, I'm Ralsei. Chris, Susie, it's ever so wonderful to meet you. I'm certain we're going to become great friends, and I just want to hug him. You know when you just like get attached to a character and you just like want to hug them and just like snuggle them and just take the hat. Best way to leave is east, right? Yes, that's where we'll... Got it. Me when I can't be bothered for, like, anyone's company. See you at school, Chris. You went south, though. Oh, wait, no. Down and then east, right? Or are they going their east, which is west? Oh, wait, no, that's east. I just got my directions really confused. Ignore me. I suppose it's just the two of us, then. Oh, look at him in his little scarf. Chris, I'm a prince, but I currently don't have any subjects. I've been waiting alone here. My whole life for you two to arrive. Aww, I'm here now, I'll say it's all good. So I'm really happy to meet you. I hope we can be good friends, Chris. Let's try to find Susie. She must be to the southeast. You can lead the way, Chris. Right, that's it. Oh, this music, I can't. Oh boy. There's an Easter egg as well with Ralsei. If you do this for a little while, his little cheeks go red. I think. I'm just gonna wait a sec and see if it actually works. Oh, there you go! His little cheeks went red. He's so cute. Ralsei, the lonely prince, is now your ally. The power of Fluffy Boys shines within you. Oh, that is the best one of those ever. Oh, yes. Sorry. Chris, you know you can hold X to run? Wait, really? Right? You'll move faster by holding X. I did not actually know that. And I'll be right behind you, so don't worry. Unless you want to get away, in which case, sorry. Aww. Come on, Ralsei. Oh, Chris, it's the training dummy I made. Now seems like a great chance to prepare for the enemy. Would you like me to teach you how to fight? Yeah. Okay, get ready, Chris. Oh boy. See that heart, Chris? That is you. That's your soul, the culmination of your being. Oh, you left that in as well from Untail. My hair is such a mess today. Like, I just can't. That's your soul, the culmination of your being. Yes. Oh, I clicked off the thing. Within it holds your will, your compassion, and the face of the world. If it gets hit, you and your friends will lose HP. If everyone's HP reaches 0, we'll lose the battle. So please take care to avoid the enemy's attack. Ready? Let's try dodging. Hi, Boston. Oh no, no, McAfee, go away. I just got like a random little thing there. Great job, Chris, you're a natural. Anyhow, after the enemy attacks, it's our turn, Chris. First, I'll teach you how to fight. Though, fighting is unnecessary in this world. There's no harm in a thorough lesson. Let's try fighting. But wow, Chris, that was an amazing attack. Have you done this before or something? No, I haven't. It's okay. Okay, next let's try defending. Simply press the defend button, obviously, and the enemy's attack will hurt you less. Not only that, but you'll also gather TP. Toilet paper? Toilet paper. TP, no, okay. What's the orange big bar on the left? I'll explain it next. Oh, right, defend. Great job, Chris. Now that you've gathered TP, how about spending that TP on one of my spells? Because you hit the enemy enough, it got tired. Now, if I use my Pacify spell on it, it'll fall asleep and will win peacefully. It's a really nice element. Pacify, dummy. I'll say Pacify. Great, Chris. We would have won the battle by now. Now I have just a little more to teach you. Acting. Through this, even the most violent enemies can be defeated through various acts of kindness. Chris, don't insist a dummy. Why not give it a hug? Can I hug Ralsei? I'm gonna hug Ralsei. You hug Ralsei. Chris. I don't think, this is what you're supposed to be doing. But... Can I hug him again? Oh, you can just act over and over. I'm gonna hug Ralsei again. You hug Ralsei. Chris? Are you trying to, ask me to give you a tutorial on hugging? Okay, I'll actually hug the dummy this time. You hug the dummy. Aww, that's great, Chris. Each enemy has different acts to satisfy them. When an enemy is satisfied, its name turns yellow. When that happens, you can defeat it by sparing it. If you spare all the enemies we meet, you'll never have to fight. Also, I can just spare it now. Yeah. Oh, its name's like multicolored, that's cool. Chris spared dummy. Great job, Chris. That would be the end of a real battle. I'm really happy I had the chance to teach you, Chris. I can't read today. You only got 0 EXP and 3 doors. Oh, that was fun. You're a wonderful student, Chris. And, in case you ever need a refresher, Here, I wrote a manual for you and Susie. Press C to open the menu and use it in your items. You got the manual. Also, it's C for that. Okay, I wondered what that was. I'll just walk for now, I think. Whoa, big door. Oh my, the great door is open. No wonder Lancer was able to come through. Chris, once you pass through this door, our adventure will really begin. A journey foretold exactly by the prophecy. But Chris, I believe your choices are important too. This world is full of all kinds of people, Chris. In the end, how we treat them makes all the difference. That's like a proper, a message, you know? So let's try our best to get by without fighting. If we can manage to do that, I believe this tale may have a happy ending. Otherwise, I fear that you may not find the result favourable, aka genocide. Oh, I'm sorry. Is that too much to ask? No, I can do it. Chris, I knew you were the hero. What? Chris, I knew you were a hero the moment I saw you. I can't read. Let's try our best, alright? Oh, pretty door. Boom. I love the Deltarune pattern, it's really pretty. I think with this video, since there's a little save point here, I think for now I'm just going to save and then cut this video short. I know it was one of the shortest videos I've done out of the episodes so far, but I just thought it would be relevant because it's at a save point. So yeah, I'm just going to save. With the door closed behind you, your adventure will truly begin. The power of adventure shines within you. Field, great door, file saved. So I think I'm just going to end this video here then, because yeah, I've saved and everything, and it's a good place to end in. I'm just going to save again just to make sure. So thank you for watching this episode, and I will be sure to upload a video hopefully tomorrow, like a couple of episodes tomorrow. If not, I'll upload more videos of Deltarune as soon as possible. Thank you all so much for watching this third fourth video of Deltarune. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye!